omwezi olukura baramuze mwete Deputy Chief Justice abwihanga Uganda nagira ngo hakirima baramuze abatari kumanya nako y'omuntu wa burijo yanje kushimirira abo na munonga baramuze abarukosha aha mirimo yabo.
As we serve these people, some of us do not know that our people we serve can't even raise 1,000 shillings to come to court. Many of the judicial officers don't know. When we are commissioning magistrates, sometimes I look at them. You look at them, these are fellows who grew up in Nakasero. They studied in Nakasero Primary School, went to Makerere University, and then we post them to Kanungu. So for him, when he comes to Kanungu, he doesn't know that there are those who cannot raise 1,000 shillings to come to court.
The court still faces significant staffing gaps, which if not addressed may hinder the efficient delivery of services.
Elisa Tahigwa omunyeshenjero abwarukunje municipality nawe yagira court age neyo kwera cyango omuntu waburijo na munongo munyarukunjire no munyakanungu abukuba binjo munubo babiri batambara engendo ningwa obarukuza high court na munongo ya Kabare
abukuba ibintu binje byetaga obuhereza bwa high court abantu babiri babona bari kutambura kuza Kabare ningo mwebaza Mbarara na Kampala konka kibiri kibateganisa
ebintu bikuja ngo tine sente tokusinga mushango. Justice is not for rich people, it is for all. However, money can act as a facilitator, but it should not be a priority.
And this is what we want.
Amakoraga gasha kwa dana basibye.